Hi, this is White Rings. Today we will learn the English grammar modal verbs. Modal verb. A modal verb is used to indicate speaker's general intention, that is, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion, order, obligation, advice, etc. There are two types of modal verbs. First one, modal auxiliaries. Second one, semi-modal auxiliaries. 9 modal auxiliaries are there: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. Semi-modal auxiliaries are 4: used to, need, dare, ought to. Now, let us learn where we can use the right modal verb at the right place. We can start with the first modal auxiliary, can. Can. It indicates capacity or ability. Example, a good teacher can make even boring lessons interesting. Here, the modal verb can indicate the ability of a good teacher. See this example. He can lift a car. Here, can indicates a capacity of a person. When we requested something, we can use the modal verb can. Example, can I write this application for you? The modal verb could indicates somewhat politeness while asking, could you please help me? It also indicates the past ability. I could run fast when I was a young man. Then, will. Will indicates the future. When will I receive my order? Firm decision. I will win this match. Willingness. We will help you if you remain honest. Would. We can use this modal verb in imaginative things. If I study well, I would become a collector. Then shall. When we suggest something, we can use the modal verb shall. Example, shall we study grammar? Shall we go out for dinner tonight? But the modal verb should act as different form. Normally it indicates in advice. Example, 2 more days you should take tablets. You should be healthy. Should also indicate the obligation. Example, the student should submit the records today. In comments or order. Today you should finish all the assignments. Then may. May we can use when we ask permission. May I lend your pen? Then possibility. I may lose my mark in exam. Then suggestion. You may do this work. Then might. Might also used in possibility. She might be on the bus. I think her car is having problem. Also in requests. Might I have something to drink? Then must. Must is the modal verb most commonly used to express certainty, necessity, or strong recommendation. Example, that must be Jerry. They said he was tall with bright red hair. It is certainty. You must take some off and get some rest. It is a strong recommendation. You must have a permit to enter the national park. It is a necessity. And also it indicates the prohibition. You must not swim in that river. It's full of crocodiles. Then used to. Used to say that something happened continuously or frequently during a period in the past. Example, I used to live in London. It also used in past habits. We used to go sailing on the lake in summer. Then need. Need indicate necessity. Need she iron the clothes? We use need mostly in the negative form to indicate that there is no obligation or necessity to do something. Example, you need not take off your shoes. Now, dare. Dare can mean challenge somebody or courageous. To be brave enough. It can use such sentences. Example, he doesn't dare go there. How dare you speak against me? The last one is ought to. Ought to indicate the moral duty. Example, we ought to obey the parents. We ought to help the needy people. It is not a compulsion, but morally it is correct. So ought to always we can use in the moral duty. Let me conclude my lesson at here. I hope you all understood well. If you watch this video for first time, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, comment it below. Let us discuss. Thank you.